Guys, thanks for joining me today. So today we're taking a look at these locks. This is from a company called BoltLock. These have a special feature to them. I want to show them to you, but we have a few samples here. These are for like trailers, for your locks, for different types of locks. Let's get these open and I'll show you what's special about these. Now this is just a sample of a few of their locks. They do have more than this, but this is like, for example, this one's the off-vehicle coupler lock that you'd put around your coupler on your trailer so it's not going to get stolen. The cool thing with these locks, guys, is that you use your truck key or your SUV key to program to this. So you're actually using your key to lock and unlock this. We're going to try this one first. This one's our coupler pin lock. So this is what you'd put on your trailer when you have it connected to your vehicle so that the coupler will not come apart and it's not going to get unlocked. So you want to have one of these if you have a trailer. I'm going to use my Chevy Suburban. I've got a Suburban that I haul my trailer with. Chevy, Cadillac, GMC vehicles that have the center cut key, you just get the one that's specific to your vehicle and key type. If I push here, this key, my key comes out and it looks like this center cut type of key like this. So to program the key, all we're going to do is we're going to take this sticker off here like that. Now I insert my key all the way in and I turn it clockwise until it stops. Now I can take it out. So now it's programmed to my key. So that's super simple process to do. All right, these two locks, this is a cable lock, so we could wrap this around like if you're locking up your dirt bike or some other kind of bike. This would be nice for that. It's got this nice length of cord that recoils. It's got the lock here. If we take off this cap, we just follow the same instructions. The nice thing, the instructions are all the same for all of these. We expose the lock. Insert our key all the way clockwise until it stops. Okay, and now it's learned the key. So this one's kind of spring loaded because what it does is it releases this. With this one here, you could wrap it around, if you're just trying to wrap it around maybe your two back tires or something on a vehicle, you could, once you wrap it around, you could run that through the loop like that. Insert it in like that, and you've got your cable lock. Here's our receiver lock. So this is going to go into our receiver to help that the receiver and ball mount's not going to come out or be stolen. This is for class 3, 4, and 5, so it's pretty versatile in how you can use that. Insert our key all the way in. Twist it until it stops. And now it's good to go. All right, to get our off-vehicle coupler all set up here, there's just a few things we have to do. It does include two different ball sizes. So depending on the size of ball that your trailer takes, I'm going to do the bigger one, the 2 5/16. So we're just going to put the screw through the top. I'm just using a 19mm socket to tighten this down. All right, so how this works is we put this up into the coupler of the trailer, we put this over the top, and then this pin goes through. And we would get this set up with our key, and that's going to go on the end, and that's going to lock that on there, and that's going to provide for some protection to the coupler of the trailer. All right, I'm out here in my trailer. I want to try out these two coupler locks, this one here, for the hole there, and then we'll do the coupler when it's off the trailer. Guys, to prove the point here, in order to get the existing coupler lock off, I have 3 separate keychains with all these keys, and it's it's such a hassle figuring out which one's which and keeping track of these keychains. So I'm glad I can just kind of get rid of this because this is a much better solution. So here's how our on-vehicle coupler system is going to work. We just get this out. Slip that through there when it's in the lock position. So we can adjust this anywhere along the ridges on this. It can help this coupler latch from coming up and to help protect it so no one's taking the trailer off of your vehicle. And then to take it off, we just insert the key, move it down, pull it out, and comes off really easily, goes on really easily as well. All right, let's install the off-vehicle coupler. So for starters, we just take this plate here, put it up like that, lock it down. And then there's two different positions here. We can go a little further back or we can go more forward depending on where this latch is here. that's going to go down. That's going to cover this. That's going to cover this latch, so it's not going to come up. And then third step, just going to insert this all the way through. All right, the pin's all the way through now, and then I can just put on my lock. We can just insert that like that. We actually don't have to have even the key in. It'll just insert like that. We just need the key to get off. I like that it has this nice like rubber coating on here, and it's got a nice cover to keep the elements out of the keyhole. It's going to help prevent corrosion. So there we go. We're good to go. Okay, here's how our receiver lock's going to work. We're just going to put the key in, twist it, and then pull that out there. We got our pin. We're just going to insert from the other side. Okay, we just insert the lock on the end of the pin, pull our key out, put the cap on, and it's nice and tight and secure. And to take it off, it works the same as the other two other locks. We just turn the key, kind of spring loaded, pop it off, and then we can pull our pin out. With this cable lock, one idea that I had is if you have your trailer hooked up to this and you're going to leave it outside, maybe overnight or for an extended period of time, you could use this to wrap around your safety chain hook here in the hitch area, and you could wrap this around your trailer and then come back through here and put this in, so that way your trailer is more locked up to your vehicle, kind of an added layer of protection or safety. Guys, this is a really cool product. I'm really excited to use this. I'm especially excited not have to carry around all of these keys, these keychains for one lock when I'm trying to find it. So guys, this is a great solution to have one key, the key that goes to your vehicle, unlocks all of your locks on your trailer, your hitch, your coupler. I think that's a great feature. BoltLock has a lot of cool locks, a lot of different ones, and for different makes and models to match your keys. So be sure to see the link down below. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Thanks.